Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is On Trend Health and my name is Nima. Today we're going to be making homemade hydroxychloroquine. So if you'd like to watch this video, stay tuned. Let's be well together. Let's stay well together. Let's stay healthy together. And I'm going to show you how I make homemade hydroxychloroquine. First, you're going to need to wash your mangoes. I must want some mangoes. I must want some mangoes. But first you're gonna do is wash your grapefruit. Make sure all the wax is off of it, and make sure it's just make sure it's clean so you can, just like you would prepare anything else. You wash it and clean it before you eat it, okay? Or make whatever you want to make with it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. All right, so I'm gonna only use. Ooh, this is hot. I'm only gonna use the grapefruit today. I'm not gonna use the lemons with it. So yeah, put that off to dry. Let's take that off. All right, so I'm just gonna wash that off really well. Make sure you scrub it off really well because you're gonna make a tea out of it. So you have to make sure that it is. Make sure that I'm trying to make sure I'm still recording, because you know how many times I've done videos and I thought I pressed record and yeah, it hadn't been recording. So I'm just making sure that it's recording so I don't have to do this again. Okay, so make sure you rub it really well. Okay guys, now that we have that on out the way, you're gonna peel your grapefruit, and you're going to peel your grapefruit and get it prepared. And this is how you peel a grapefruit, by the way. It's pretty easy. Make sure you peel all the grapefruits. And after, with this, I'm going to be making grapefruit juice. But that will be another video. So you put that off to the side. And you just continue to cut all your grapefruit. Okay? This is going to be so good. It's going to make me feel so revitalized and so energized. It's going to boost my immune system. It's going to kill bacteria in your gut. It's going to kill parasites in your gut. It's antimicrobial, antifungal. So it's all around a good fruit to have to take every day. You could take, and another thing I use grapefruit for, guys, if you have a headache, well, whenever I have a headache, if I ever get one, it's rare. When I do, I eat mangoes. Mangoes is high in. I must really want mangoes. I keep saying mangoes. When I have a headache, I'll eat grapefruit. Grapefruit is high in antioxidants, guys. High in oxidants. High in antioxidants. So it's pretty healthy for you, because all the brain, guys, listen. Your brain is a soft tissue. If there's free radicals running around anywhere in the body, it's going to cause pain or discomfort. Period. And end. You're going to experience discomfort in the body if you don't have antioxidants to get rid of them. And antioxidant is like it's like a detergent in your body. It goes in there and scrub all that your body don't need and get rid of it. Hence the fact that when someone get, different ailments, antioxidant is what goes in there and get rid of it. You know, all your other trace minerals and your vitamins and all that. But, you know, antioxidants is very important to have in the body. And so you have to go in there and take care of that by eating your fruits and vegetables. So, yeah. All right, so I'm almost finished. I'm going to stop recording here. So I'll be back in a few. I think I'm going to wash this one a little bit more. You kind of see this kind of white stuff that's on there. I'm going to wash this one a little bit more. What I try to do whenever something's going on with my body is try to, you know, take something natural for it before I can go to the doctor or anything like that. For me, I'll try to do certain things to make sure that I'm well, so I don't have to, so the problem doesn't get bigger. Let me go wash this one. And we are done. What I'm gonna do is cut these in little pieces so that when I come to strain it, then it's easier to strain. But this is what we got. This is what we got. This is what you're gonna get. Just the peel of the grapefruit. That's what you're going to need. Now, don't get me wrong. You can put the grapefruit. You can put the grapefruit in your tea, but why put the grapefruit in your tea when you could make grapefruit juice or eat the grapefruit? That would be another way to get your antioxidants in by eating the grapefruit. So let me go ahead and cut these up in really little pieces, and I'll be back. All right, so I'm gonna put my hydroxychloroquine, I'm gonna put my grapefruit peel in the water. Okay, I was gonna show you guys, but I'm just gonna put it on the stove. So here we go. Here. So I'm gonna let that boil for a minute on it. Make sure to let the water get really hot first, and then when it starts to boil, then you're gonna lower your temperature. That's all. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so it's gotten to a boil right now, so I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. Here it goes. We're gonna turn, because here, this is what it's looking like. And now we're gonna turn the heat down to very, very low. Look how low that is. And make sure that it cooks and it just to make sure that it is not killing the vital ingredients in there, and that is cooking down and is simmering down, and you get all the goodness out of it, slowly cooking it. Just like you would slowly cook your food to get all the goodness out of it, to make sure that it's cured, that it's well. That's what we're gonna do here. So you're just gonna cover that back up, leave it for a few more minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. So stay tuned. Minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. So stay tuned. All right, you guys. So after this tea cooled down, and this is the next day, I put them in individual bottles. I drink about one in the morning, one in the evening, and that's it. And then I get all the quinine that is in the peel, and yeah, that is in the peel, and I drink that. So be sure, if you have any question, guys, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. This is just one way to get your immune system going and stronger is to make your own quinine tea from the grapefruit peel. So yeah, that is it. I thank you guys for watching. I will be putting that in the refrigerator. Anyways, I'll be keeping that in the refrigerator, and I'll be drinking it twice a day. And for the bigger bottles, I'll be drinking it once a day. So I'll do half in the morning, half in the morning and half in the evening. So yeah, guys, if you want to keep your immune system strong, go ahead. That is just one way to help keep your body stronger. And especially the times that we're in right now, guys, we have, 19 going on. And if you have, for people who get cold and flu around, the winter and the seasons, then go ahead and make your tea. Leave your questions and comments in the comments section.
Okay, let's
And yeah, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel. I would really, really appreciate it. I love community. I love when people ask me questions about health. That's just one of the things I love to do. So it's not a big thing for me. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I said that 100 times already. I know. So yeah, that's it, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys later. And go ahead and continue watching the rest of this video. I'm almost finished.
All right.
So, bye, guys.